cloud all of a sudden. Dude, this is so sick. This is, I can't believe it. Like, I'm here with all my best friends. I just threw my brother-in-law in one of the cars.
What do you think, Denver?
Well, I want to do that again.
That was amazing. He's alive, dude. I didn't know where you were for like fucking 20 minutes.
Yeah, I might have gotten eaten by a cougar or something. Dude, the sound, amazing. I had ever imagined. This is so fucking sick. We have to come back and do this again.
Yeah.
We have to.
What time is it? Let's see.
I think it's like 1.
Yeah, 1:15 in the morning. We're like 2.5 hours from our hotel. That was worth it. We managed to make it out, no casualties, other than one near miss with the doohickey mobile, but hey. Yeah, I'm baffled. I'm like actually at a loss. I think the sound of 1J's screaming through the mountains and then like the silence and listening to the wind blow through the trees is gonna be playing in my brain for the next forever. We'll catch you in the next video. We've got so much of this Japan trip left. We are so rich in life to be able to do this and to be able to share this with you guys, and we are forever grateful for it. So yeah, thank you, and we'll see you next time.